In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert an image in Trello step by step. Whether you're managing projects, collaborating with a team, or organizing personal tasks, adding images to your Trello cards can make your boards more visual, more informative, and much easier to understand at a glance. By the end of this video, you'll know how to upload an image from your computer or add one using a link in just a few clicks. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open Trello and navigate to the board where you want to add the image. Once you're inside your board, look for this specific card where you want the image to appear. Click on that card to open it. This will bring up the detailed view of the card, where you can edit descriptions, add attachments, include checklists, and more. After opening the card, locate the description section. If the card doesn't already have a detailed description, you'll see an option that says Add a more detailed description. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the description editor, giving you access to formatting tools that allow you to enhance your content. Inside the description editor, look at the formatting toolbar. You'll notice several icons for formatting text, adding links, and inserting other elements. Find the image icon, which is typically located next to the link option. Click on the image icon to begin inserting your image. Once you click the image icon, Trello will give you options for adding your image. You can either upload an image directly from your computer or paste an image URL if the image is already hosted online. If the image is saved on your device, choose the upload option and browse your files to select the image you want to add. Double-click the file or click Open to upload it. If you prefer to use an online image, simply copy the direct image URL, paste it into the provided field, and confirm. Trello will automatically fetch and insert the image into your card description. After the image has been uploaded or linked, you'll see it appear directly inside the description area. You can continue editing the text around it if needed. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click outside the description area or save your changes, depending on your interface version. Now your image is successfully attached to the card. All members of the board who have access to the card will be able to view the image. This is especially useful for sharing design mockups, reference screenshots, documents, visual instructions, or any supporting material that helps your team understand the task better. Adding images to Trello cards is a simple but powerful way to improve communication and organization. Instead of relying only on text, you can provide visual context that makes your workflow clearer and more efficient. And that's it. That's how you insert an image in Trello quickly and easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.